Welcome to AnHome channel, where we help you make the most out of your social media experience. Today, we're diving into a handy Instagram feature that many users ask about: how to see the posts you've liked. Stay tuned to find out how. Step 1. Accessing liked posts. First things first, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Step 2. Navigating to your activity. Next, tap the hamburger menu on the top right. From the menu that appears, select Your Activity. This is where Instagram keeps a log of your interactions. Step 3. Finding your likes. Under Your Activity, you'll find Interactions. Tap on it, and then select Likes. Here, Instagram displays the 300 most recent posts you've liked. Step 4. Sorting and filtering likes. You can sort and filter these posts to find exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's a post from last week or a recipe from yesterday, it's all here at your fingertips. Step 5. Unliking posts, and if you've changed your mind about a post, simply select it and hit Unlike. It's that easy to manage your digital footprint on Instagram, and there you have it. You're now a pro at finding and managing your liked posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AnHome channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.